Bro, they're going to watch drama classes again. Who is this?
Teka, ano lang. Sayang streamer X,
There or else I'm gonna look on yours.
maganda pa naman yung bagong itlog, pre.
I'm already looking.
Dancer for Pepino. Demiu. Abot yan, pre. Palaro lang gagawin ko ngayon, ngayon.
Okay, bye.
Thank you for sharing the stream, Boss Jamel. Angry follower, pre.
What do you call?
Mahal nun eh, sisi pambili nun eh. As it random shit. Ako. Kuha ni Koto ko, guns yan.
Hello.
Nilfame Dungeon. Grabe ko, bra.
I really missed you for a bit. Sorry, I was. This is gonna be fun. Bro, everyone.
Okay, Boss Jemuel. Okay, kanino to Akane? Ang swerte, pre. Sakto. Sakto natin. Kasi kung walang sasali, magma na lang ako. Pa-claim mga par.
No, so it means to remember those times that I love.
Pre, T1 is T1. Libero naman talaga yun. Ayun si Boss Sandro. Si Mini, nag-claim na ba si Mini?
Bro, someone tried to target.
Ayun, si Mini. Si Aishi, si Kikuchi pala auto-win. Si Tagums, si Triggerman, tsaka si Rare. Mob nung robot. Ayun, naulaan niya EE_EA2S. Akane. Ayun, para kay Redux tsaka kay Akane, 45 seconds para sa inyo. Pag hindi nag-claim si Redux tsaka si Akane, ayun Season 1 Championship.
Bro, I guess we're the opposite.
Putang na, sakto. G. Ready na kayo, guys, ha? Fly LGP, pre. Pagkatapos nitong round na to ng LGP Fly, ba't para may mga laman yung itlog na
Ow.
Jojo LC. Talibin na sa
Ano
pulo.
ba?
Wala tayong supply. O sige, mamili
Wala
tayo.
akong kita.
Large G. Large size, pre. Parang, ano siya, name. Nanalo ba si Pen? Hindi naman nanalo si Pen eh. Chi. Merchi.
Later ko na
Vesper Gear 3.
But they were taught.
Daming bago, no? Pero kasi noon, yung setup, yung mga level 5, level 4 weapons na pang third gen. Nasa nang nandito, raffle natin, dalawang winner, 50 NLs dual each. Sa mga nandito sa stream. So, dapat 10.
Oh my god, 500.
Hindi. Sa stream. Lalakihan ko na ulit. Stream. Bali pagkatapos nito ng tele-LGP, guess the months. Ayan, 4 na lang silang subs eh. Raffle ko isa subs, wait lang.
How dare you, Targeter.
Puta yun, hindi nakapin. Wala nang hahabol para sa streamer egg raffle natin. Sa mga bagong dating na gusto sumali, nasa Frontera Field 8 ako, pre. Tele-tele lang kayo. Nalista na kita kanina. Nahulog pa nga si Enlong.
This is gonna be fun for the entire server.
Si Kotoko. Kotoko, malapit na. Very warm. Monster number 20888. Level 220. Poison 4. Insect large.
Daddy, watch me twerk and say something saucy though. Say something saucy.
Wait, I'm doing something.
Yeah. Just follow me.
Ano ba to? Si Banayad, si Kikochi, si... Very, very close na, pre. As in, talagang... Sabihan nyo din ako kung may naglalaro o wala. Para pag wala naglalaro, proceed tayo sa susunod sa ano. Mga kung ano-anong ek-ek na.
I'm calling back to my account. I'm positive. Just
Yan o, Simon.
drive it to the motel.
Welcome to the stream, Repa. Start na tayo. 2 winners.
For real. Okay. Another on the other.
Ano tayo?
Looking sharp. Looking sharp.
Streamer egg. Ano? Subscriber pala muna. Kailan face worm to, diba? Boss Randolph, shoutout sa'yo. Auda. So sa mga nanalo na, 1 character per win. Okay, so aga.
One for Rainbow, one for Amanda. Were you playing with Amanda?
Subscribers, VIP din 1 week. Wait lang, nilista ko pala yung mga subs.
Drive it to the hotel. Open. Targeter.
Medium size. Laki natin ante. Oh, yan. Medium. Pwede, wow. Tsaka si, ano na to?
Get on your car here. Then drive it. Wait, I will use it. You drive it a lot. My brother's sleeping. My brother's sleeping. And he never says anything. He just put his...
Ako naman, hindi ko naman kasi sure pa kung anong paanong path ng gagawin ng ano, ng lakas RO ngayon dito sa
Yeah, she was going to be your partner for the playdate, but sadly it canceled.
1 minute para sa mga entries na mga nandito pa sa stream. May 1 minute sell Aruna Felts.
I don't think I remember.
Warper Castle, Warper first to chat sa pub.
There, yo, that.
Tele lang ng telepre. Mga pang nanalo. Bagay, bilis lang ng...
How?
Because we always fought.
Oh, baby, baby. Master Cruel ang puta. Walang master, pre. Pakwit na nga eh. Wait lamang. Kung gusto niyo sumali, kailangan niyo gumamit ng ibang character. Kailangan niyo lang gumamit ng ibang character. Pag-altab. Oh man, cover requirements. Sige, magta-timer ako. Lakihan ko pa.
Pat Roberts.
Choji, si Aishi. Yan, paiba-iba.
Targeter.
After pala nito, ano tayo? Oh, pwede na.
I'm gonna make you headless.
2 weeks din, 2 weeks.
I can have your account.
Thank you for sharing, pre.
whenever I want to and however I
Teka,
want.
ayusin ko lang yung listahan.
Don't even be sorry.
Bro, sun and and
How do you know the password? Same. Let me run over Jollibee. It's fun. What is it's coming here? Look, they're trying to check some drama. Bro, look,
Teka,
everyone
labas
is
ko lang yung
gathering on the
marbles.
ground. Can you join me?
Yan, Arrow Guild, Valfreya.
Farm game. Possible.
May LGP sa Square pre ah. Suggestion ko sa inyo, gumamit kayo ng Divine Pride.
Don't move a single inch.
Sabi kasi ni Jess eh. Ni Jess. Antay lang tayo ng mga gustong sumali.
Right? We're trying to trick my friend. Wait, I see many money. Tell me who's the bird and tell them if they're trying to target.
Yun o, Boss JC Artilero.
Oh, I'm going to send it to you.
Okay lang yan, basta ano. Ano ba tong square ko? Jerusalem bells are ringing. Woman travel. On the living room pa.
Eh, umingin ito. Dalawa to eh.
You can open it, it's dark outside na.
Wait lang. Airplane.
Wala nang incentive mga ako para maumuha ng streamer eggs. Ah, ito na, round 1 mga pre.
What?
So tatlo na lang. Si Aishi, si Tagum, siya si Triggerman. Kala ko welcome back. Anong oras? Siguro mga 1 hour 45 minutes ng stream. Siguro mga after 30 minutes pre. Hanap lang tayo ng ipapag-guess. Dalawa? Dalawa yun.
Probably they want
Dalawa
to
or
play
ka-clone.
a new
Say 2
game.
plus 6.
Bro,
Pwede pa sumali, different character.
yeah. That was good. You told me some earth last time.
Wait lang. Persona man, medium, neutral. Siya eh. Neutral, medium, human, search. Valentine. Siyempre,
I forgot this.
level na lang siguro.
Right.
O, pag tumunog yung timer, tapos wala pa nakakahula,
Bro, they're trying to watch drama classes.
ngayon ko nga lang na-realize, kailangan ko pa pala mag-stream, pre.
And I'm gonna spend your money on Robux.
O ng ano else jewels against the monster, tapos 5 rounds ng
I think I just have. Oh no, I'm scared. What about you? I'm scared.
ano na to, straight KO yata mamaya, pre.
And honor. Bro,
Wala, pre, di ko sure kung mag-KO ako, ah. Kaya nyo na yan. Para naman ako.
but you yet watched it.
Medium. Para sa 25LC. 25LC na to. Ayun. Nice. Uy, nagtele. Puta na. October yung live event. So, bali may 3 months na... Ayun, pasok. Stop na, pre.
I'm gonna do a hack it real quick. Where? Oh yeah.
See?
Yep, you knew.
For tomorrow. Right, and in.
Hindi na to. Ano yung favorite ko ito? Dream anymore. No. October. September, Trans. October, Season 1 Championship. Season 2, December. So may off season ng tawag sabihin si ano na naman mananalo dito.
Why are you scared? Someone's trying to play a game.
Haba naman ito. Si Atong.
Bro, I always thought that in my mind during afternoon that Sophia was a part of it. What server should we play? By the way, I'm gonna make a new account for you.
Bago
Okay. Because
Last of the real ones.
I
Solo, sa Aruna Felts Guild. Punta ka sa Guild Castle. Oo, pwede pre. Pwede. Punta ka sa Warper Guild Castle. Medium.
Wait, I don't have because my phone is so bad.
May 3 months
And
na.
I only have, we only have one power bank.
I always wanted this and it's not a hulaan nyo. Siguro dahil mukha na siyang itila, alam nyo na, demi-human siya. So, clue na yun.
Look, all
Yan,
of these
22
that
entries.
just have
Mabilisan lang sa top 1 raffle. Yan. Halo si Jen niya ang pangalan ng ma'am. Hi. Ano tayo? 2 rounds tayo.
no.
Tapos sa mga nakatambay sa stream, may ano tayo dyan. Last round. Sa mga kay Brew, paano to? Kay Brew, kay Bullet, pre, may ano kayo sa akin, may console.
No, it really died.
Ang daming bagong pumapasok na guild ngayon sa lakas, no? Sa tour. Parang 3 yata yung nakita akong bago. Yung
I'm having bad dreams. Oh, really?
LLG Pisas.
I forgot the
Pwede pre, different character.
I dare you. I dare you to.
Should be over all the butterflies. Pro LC, Niles Jewel,
Discuss
ano
and
pa ba pwede natin iparapol?
hear, enjoy.
Okay, titignan ko kung ano may mga paraffol. Grabe, nakita ko yung pandemonyo, grabe yung costume na nakakill. Kayo,
Okay.
last round.
Can you hear me?
Baby.
I went back to your account in 1 second. Can the jump about this street? I'm being rude. Never mind. Dito na ako.
Ito yung bago no, kaila ano to kaila face.
It's okay. It's okay. I don't like to throw. I'm gonna run away. If you share it with your mom,
Grabe, nagbubukas ng itlog, putang na, sunod-sunod. Yun o, Holy Armor, Scroll, Orca Clothes. Nakakuha ng Orc Lord. Kaya pasok lang lahat ng gustong sumali. Hanap lang ako ng mobs. Ng mga top fan. Kunin ko lang sa ano. Wala, di ko kasi makita sa Facebook eh. So ano, PC.
I'm outside.